In this last Event Planner software training video, we will discuss everything related to users and contacts for your event. Again, we start on the dashboard. In the left menu, we click on Contacts to enter the list of people who have access to your event. In one of the previous videos, I already showed you how to add a person, but let's do that again. And I will explain more in detail what the options are. So let's, for example, say we want to give somebody of the catering company working for you access. So we start by typing the name. We worked with Catering Van Eyck. Name of the person is Matthew. Email address. And now we come to the access level this person gets. So for every one of the tools we've seen until now, you can set individual the access level. Basically, in mood boards, we have read and manage. So read does what it does say. That means that somebody can see the mood board. Manage will say he can add, remove, stuff like that. Let's say, okay, we want to give read access to the mood board. For checklists, we have read, comment and manage. Read and manage are exactly the same as with mood boards, but comment means you can comment on checklist items but can't change the items itself. It's a level in between that can be interesting for some use cases. So let's say we give comment access, and then again, like we also discussed in one of the previous trainings, you can choose to give access to only the person's own items by clicking this checkbox. Same for call sheets, again read and manage rights. We don't have comments over here. So we give, for example, for call sheet manage rights, but here we decide to give manage rights on everything, not only his or her own items. Same for contacts. There we say, for example, we give no access at all because the person doesn't need to see who has access or change that. And the budget, we only give read access. So for all the tools, you can set the access level like you want. We click on Add Contact. And like I explained before, the person now gets an invitation in their mailbox. If they already have an eventplanner.net account, they just accept the invitation, can log in with their existing credentials and start working together with you on the event. If they're not an eventplanner.net user at this moment, they get the invitation, create a free account, which is very rapidly done, just a minute or something like that, and then gets immediate access to your project and you can start working together. If it is somebody new working on the eventplanner.net platform, it might be interesting to direct them to these training videos so they also learn how to get the most out of this software. Once we created all the users, obviously we can edit them just by clicking on the name. You can change the access rights or you can delete a user. Deleting is only possible when there are no line items assigned to the person. So if there are still line items in the checklists or in the call sheet for the event assigned to the person, you will not be able to delete the person, which makes sense. So first change those things and then you can delete the person. Like I said in the beginning of the training, we will be adding a lot of new features over the next few months, years to come. So always keep track on what's new. You can do that by registering to our newsletter and you get all the updates directly in your mailbox. And whenever there's a big update, we will make sure to update this training so you get the latest in detail insights on this topic as well. And last but not least, don't forget to fill in the quiz at the end of this training course. It is necessary for your certification, so if you pass the quiz, you get an official eventplanner.net certification, which you can add, for example, on your LinkedIn profile to show the world that you master the most popular event software in the market. Thanks for joining us in these training sessions. I wish you all the best with organizing your events. If you have any feedback for us on improving the software, just reach out via the chat functionality at the bottom right of all the event software pages. So thanks again for watching and good luck.